Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
automotive replacement gauge sets.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
I'm not afraid to let go. Get aside if you ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad and know, yeah. I'm sad and know, yeah. I gave her everything. She took my heart and left me lonely. Acting broken hearts contentious. I won't fix, I'd rather be.
She got me going psycho. She got me going down, down, down. Got me living on a tightrope. She got me going down, down, down. She got me going psycho. She got me going down, down.
Hello, my name is Mark with Scared Shiftless, SoCal, California. And what we have here is a beautiful 1969 Camaro RSSS Super Sport big block automatic trans 12-volt posi. Our customer insisted on using the Equus line of gauges. We've used these gauges before. They're awesome. They're easy to install. I think it's a great choice. They make the 7,000, the 6,000. They're economical. You can buy a set of gauges for your dash cluster for under $200. That's reasonable. Comes with the fittings. They also offer the fuel sender units. If you're going to go with electrical gauges, you can get the senders, the sensors, the whole works. One place. I've shopped them on the internet, and I know my local auto parts store also has these gauges. What a great choice. We also have the voltmeter attacking this bad beast. And he wants to know, on the weekends, he's going to drag race. On the weekdays, he's going to rotate this over so he can see his RPM and his speedometer. What a cool setup. So here you have it. We've got him all set up for his weekend racing. And now, for his daily cruiser, we've got it right here on the side. Easily rotates over with the supplied wrench. And now he can see how fast he's going. Now that we have our classic car gauges all set up and everything, let's go do something a little more modern if you're not tired of me yet. What we have is our tachometer, 3 3/8. This is going to look great on the dash. What we've done is we've actually purchased this online. Our gauges fit perfectly right here. Let's see how these gauges look installed. This gauge right here to let us know if our turbo is working properly or not. We also have our RPM gauge to let us know when to shift. Hello, my name is Mark with Scared Shiftless, SoCal, California. And what we have here is a 1963 Chevy pickup. We already pre-made our wire harness. So what we're going to do, take and install. It's simple. Just push in your bulbs. We have our connection here for our tachometer. We have the one for our sender. Goes to our distributor. We have our lights. Just set them in there. We have our oil pressure tube. What we're going to do is we're just going to push that in there, tighten it down. Over here, we have our gas gauge. We have our negative, our power supply, and right there for our sender. We actually purchased from Equus our bulb sockets and covers. We're going to take those for our turn signals, our high beam light, and our other turn signal. Equus makes it easy. Let's go ahead, install it in our vehicle, and take a good look. Equus has many options to make your vehicle customized the way you like it. And then I find out that I can buy them at my local auto parts store also. A comparable gauge would probably cost me well over $500. This is incredible. And Equus has been making gauges for over 40 years. The reliability and the research and development, I'm ensured that I have a great gauge for my classic vehicle. For this application, we're going to install this cluster. We think it's going to look cool in here.